Hi, Gary here from Woody Wood. Today's video is all about dealing with the mess we generate as woodies. I got tired of forever having to sweep up and suck up dust that I'm generating all over the place, and my missus got tired of me breaking all the house vacuums by using them in the workshop. Let's take a quick tour of a very economical, simple and easy to put together dust collection system. The stand or the base is made from a piece of old MDF. You can use anything, quite frankly, which is about 78 centimeters long, 47 centimeters wide. I then created these 4 legs on either side to create the house for the bucket. Pieces going across to support the legs and to hold the hinges for the lid. This bucket's about 38 centimeters high, so these legs are 40 centimeters, and you can see that the pool noodle is just at the top of them to create the seal. We can have a look inside at the mess that's been collected. So basically you just build a framework around a bucket, and then you put a hinge top on it like so. I still put the rest of the screws in, some toggle clamps. That one's a bit weak. This one came without the actual latch, holds it in place, and we have a sealed compartment. On the top we have a cyclone dust separator. The link to this is in the description, so you can see it. Use a hole saw to cut out a hole. There's a seal over there between the base and the wood. You mount that in. On this side is the platform for holding the vacuum cleaner. Just a very rudimentary base platform to stop the vacuum cleaner from rolling off the base as you move it around on the wheels. Connecting the vacuum cleaner to the cyclone is very simple. I have got no fancy joining pieces, so all I'm doing at this stage is dropping the pipe into the top, and I've connected the suction side via good old duct tape. As I said, this is a basic, very economically friendly version of a dust collector. And that's literally as simple as it is to build. As you can see, the dust bucket is empty, or mostly empty. There's little bits in the bottom there. We'll do the same with the vacuum cleaner. So when we do the test, you can see it actually works. And the vacuum cleaner container completely empty. So let's undergo the test. Now for the acid test, let's see if there's dust in the dust bucket. There is, doesn't appear to be a lot, but there is. So let's look at the vacuum cleaner now. And the vacuum cleaner, as you can see, is still completely empty. Works really well for a very little amount of work to make and very cheap. Hope you enjoyed this. See you next time.